Hello, good morning class. Today I'm going to start your exercise 2B of chapter 2 exponents. First question is 57.36, right? The question 1 says write each of the following numbers in standard form. You have to write the given number in the standard form. What is standard form? Standard form is a form in which the number is written in the form of decimal as well as with the form of exponents, right? So here you see 57.36 can be written as 5.736 into 10. See here that if we are shifting decimal to left hand side, the value of 10 or its power comes. I am shifting here the decimal to single place value, so I am writing into 10. Next, 3, 5 and 5 times 0. Count the number of zeros, 5 zeros, and if we are shifting our decimal to 1 point left, that is 3.5, so number of zeros will be or number of places will be 6. So we can write it as 3.5 into 10 to the power 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 5 zeros and 1 5, and we can put decimal after 3, right? Or you can understand it like that, that we are moving 6 place values left, right? 6 place values left to the given number, so we are writing it as 3.5 into 10 to the power 6, right? Next, 273 and 3 times 0. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 place values we are going to left. So we are writing it as 2.73 into 10 to the power 5. Next, similarly, for 8 place values left, we are writing it as 1.68 into 10 to the power 8. Next, if we are going to 12 place values left, we are writing it as 4.63 into 10 to the power 12. Next, 345 into 10 to the power 5. Now, 10 to the power 5 is already given here, but we are moving 2 decimal places value left. So, we are writing it as 3.45 into 10 to the power 2. And 10 to the power 2 and 10 to the power 5 is your 10 to the power 7, right? Next, write each of the following numbers in usual form. In usual form, you can write it as 3.74 into 10 to the power 5. If we are removing decimal, we write 100 in the denominator. Now, this 100 is 10 to the power 2. Now, if this denominator value comes to the numerator, this will become 10 to the power 5 minus 10 to the power 2. It gets reciprocal and subtracted with the power of the 10, that is 10 to the power 5 minus 2, or we can write it as 374 into 10 to the power 3, right? So this is your usual form of the given question. Next question, 6.912 into 10 to the power 8. 6.912, if we are removing decimal, 6912 upon 1000 into 10 to the power 8. 1000 can be written as 10 to the power 3. Now this 10 to the power 3 when comes to the numerator gets negative or reciprocal. We can write it as 10 to the power 8 minus 3 or 10 to the power 5. So this is your usual form of the given question. Next, 2.5 into 10 to the power 4. 2.5 means 25 upon 10 or 10 to the power 4. 10 to the power 4 minus 1 is 10 to the power 3. Your answer is 25,000. Next question. The height of Mount Everest is 8,848 meter. Write it in standard form. Okay, the given height of the Mount Everest is given. Here you see 8,848 meter, which can be written it as, if here we see we are moving 3 place values left. 3 place values left. So we can write it as 8.848 into 1000 or 8.848 into 10 to the power 3 meter. If we are moving to the left side, the power is always positive of the tens, right? Next, the speed of light is given in meter per second. You have to write it in standard form, which is 3 into 10 to the power 8, because 8 zeros are given here. Number of zeros are 8 here. So we can write it as 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Next, the distance from the earth to sun is given and you have to write it in standard form. We are moving to 11 place values left and we can write it as 1.9496 into 10 to the power 11 meter, right? Next is your mass of earth, mass of moon and total mass you have to find. Simply add the two numbers and get your answers. Next, question number 5. Question number 5. Write each of the following numbers in standard form. The value is given and you have to write it in form of standard. Okay. 6 upon 10,000. 6 upon 10,000 can be written as 6 into 10 to the power minus 4. Similarly, 0.027. 27 upon 10,000, which can be written as 27 upon 10 to the power minus 4. Or if we are moving one place value left, then the value is 2.7 and 10 to the power 1. 10 to the power 1 and 10 to the power minus 4 is 10 to the power minus 3, right? Next, question number 6 is similar to question number 5. I am discussing question number 7. Write each of the following numbers in usual form. Here is 2.06 into 10 to the power minus 5. It means 2.06 is 206 upon 100 into 10 to the power minus 5. 10 to the power 5 minus 5, when taken to the denominator, it gets positive or reciprocal, right? So 10 to the power 2 and 10 to the power 5 is your 10 to the power 7. This is your total answer in the usual form, right? That is 0.0000206. Write all the other questions in their usual form. They are very easy. Do it by your own. If there is any doubt, ask me. Thank you, class.